All right, we are going to share with you how to help fight hunger pains and curb your appetite, all right? Eating normal, whole, healthy foods, okay? And all of these foods, so we're going to share the foods with you, number one. And two, we're going to share with you the 4 characteristics to look for in these foods that make them high satiety foods. So satiety meaning the sensation of being full, okay? Because if we are full, if we feel full, we don't want to eat as much, and we don't eat as many calories in the day, which is the underlying mechanism to help us lose body fat quickly. So the first one is foods that are high in protein. So protein is the number one nutrient that helps you feel full and keeps you fuller for longer, okay? So things like fish, obviously any sort of beef, poultry, eggs, those are all great sources to keep you fuller for longer. So that's part one. And they also too help suppress the hormones associated with hunger, things like ghrelin and GLP-1. So those are all hormones that trigger us to be like, hey, let's eat some food. So that's number one, foods that are high in protein. Two, we want foods that are high in fiber, okay? So fiber keeps food in our digestive tract a little bit longer, so therefore we're getting calorie burn, increasing our thermogenic effect because we're sitting there digesting the protein, using calories to do that. So foods that are high in fiber, things like oatmeal are great. Obviously vegetables are great as well. So those are, and actually even potatoes too. So potatoes have a bunch of minerals, and yes, you can eat carbs and get to your goals and get leaner, right? You don't have to cut them out, pinky promise. So that's number 2, things that are high in fiber. 3, we want foods that have high energy density, so meaning compared to their weight, so things like, again, vegetables here, asparagus, lettuce, greens, leafy greens, and stuff like that. All those things, they have tons of nutrients, okay, number 1, and low calories. So that's what we mean by that. So tons of nutrients, low calories, that's called a win. And tying right into that as well is low energy density foods. So that's number 4. Foods like, again, those vegetables that we can eat a ton of, have low calories compared to the thing, and they typically have a lot of water, a lot of nutrients, as opposed to something, say, like a Dorito, right? That's a little thing, it doesn't fill you up, and it has tons of calories associated with it. So that'd be the complete opposite of what to eat. So again, so use that list of foods. Again, just to rehash it, protein, eggs, quinoa, oatmeal, potatoes. There's a bunch of other lists, just you can Google foods with a high satiety index, and those are some foods that help you curb those appetites, get leaner, and help you get to your goals while eating a normal food, all right? So if that sounds great to you, then that's stuff that we preach in our A-Prep Academy, where we help you get stronger, get leaner, get more confident, and without the overwhelm and stress of thinking that being healthy has to consume your life. So hope that helpful. This is Josh from Athletic Preparation. Have a wonderful day.